it comes to prepping the hair, my best recommendation is always honey and olive oil because these were the two things I used on my hair when I started my natural hair journey, and they never disappointed me. In this video, I'm showing you the recipe that helped me grow my hair from bald when I started experiencing excessive breakage and decided to cut all my hair. So we are using just two ingredients in this video, that's honey and extra virgin olive oil. This extra virgin olive oil has been infused in herbs. So as you can see, there's rosemary and there are other powdered herbs in it. So it's extra potent, yes. But if you don't have oil that you have infused already, you don't have to worry. Just using your normal extra virgin olive oil or your normal coconut oil or your normal olive oil is going to really do a lot. So once you get these together, just these two is going to really make a big difference. Shake it well, and then now it's time to apply it to your hair. Yes, so you do it on dirty hair, because like I don't know if you get me, normal actual normal hair before you shampoo, because it's pre-poo and it's supposed to be done before you shampoo your hair. I'm emphasizing on that because it's pre-poo, it's supposed to be done before you shampoo your hair. I don't like to do this when my hair is tangled. Like, I mean, I don't unravel my hair before I do it. Like, I unravel everything together. But then what I do is my hair is already in twist, so I just decide to just untwist this one after the other. This really helps save time. Like, I'm not even kidding. I used to think that when you take everything off and then you do it, it helps. But no, when you do it this way, it really helps save time. It saves lots of time. Don't try to do it like at once. You are going to be, yeah, you are going to be overwhelmed with your hair, especially if your hair is a lot. But then if you decide to do it the way I'm doing it, you are going to really save time. So why am I saying that honey is good for the hair? Honey is, if you are experiencing excessive shedding, using honey on your hair in addition to heat is going to really make a big difference on your hair. It's going to make a big difference. From my experience using honey is what grew my hair. Like, a little backstory: the first time I pre-pulled my hair with extra virgin olive oil and honey, my hair was really small. After that, I went ahead and braided it. When I removed when I took off the braids, I was so impressed. Like, I was like, wow, is this how my hair has grown so fast? So if you are someone who wants to grow your hair, these two ingredients are my best recommendation in terms of pre-poo. In terms of pre-poo, these two ingredients are my best recommendation because they really helped me when I started growing my hair from bald. If I find the video, I'm going to, it's an old video, I don't really know if I have it, but if I find that video, I am going to insert it somewhere in my upcoming video so that you see my first pre-poo with honey and olive oil. So when I say this is something you should use on your hair, I am telling you the fact. This is almost like hot oil treatment because the oil is infused in herbs and they are also going to be applied on your hair while heat is also introduced. So you can call it hot oil treatment. Yes. Honey contains humectant, and this property is able to really nourish the scalp. The scalp is as important as the hair strands. If you are focusing on hair growth, you should focus on the scalp and as well as the hair strands as well. So honey is your best recommendation if you want to grow your hair. So you ask me how many times you can do this. See, if you don't want to be overwhelmed with anything, just do honey and olive oil pre-poo every time you wash your hair. So it can be once in a week or 4 times in a month, or you can decide to wash your hair twice in a month. That's every 2 weeks you wash your hair once. Just use honey and olive oil. Don't use anything else. Just honey and olive oil. Honey and either olive oil or coconut oil, and you are going to be impressed. Like, don't even do too much. Just these two is how grow your hair. Don't do too much. The reason why I like doing too much is because I like to explore other ways. I mean, other things I can do to grow my hair. That's why I like to do too much. But aside that, just don't do too much. Honey and olive oil is your best bet. With olive oil, I like it because it is so nourishing. I've used different oils like for my hair, but olive oil is an oil that I am not leaving it behind because that oil saved my life. So olive oil or extra virgin olive oil, there's a difference, but the difference is not really huge. If you just get olive oil, you are good to go. this oil that, like, I mean, extra virgin olive oil saved my life. So I'm always recommending it to anyone who wants to start growing their hair. So these are my best combos: honey and then extra virgin olive oil. Use on your hair every time you shampoo your hair. Apply it as you saw me do the recipe in the video. Apply it to your hair and scalp. Wear a steamer cap and you are good to go. Yes, you are good to go. My other tips is that honey is a bit sticky, so if you are using it and it's not well, I mean, if you don't mix it well with the olive oil, you are going to really have a lot of stickiness on your hair. Like, it can even take your, like, break your hair because it's sticky, and it may just get stuck on your hair and all that. Yes, I hope you understand. But then aside that, it is very good. So if you want to avoid the stickiness, just mix it with your olive oil, shake it very well before you apply it on your hair. Or if you want to use just the honey, just warm up the honey a little bit before you go, you put it into your hair. This is able to, make it a bit runny for you, so that it's not just going to sit on the surface of your hair and become so sticky that your hair will start falling off because of the stickiness. Yes. So I like to mix it with oil so that it's not as sticky as it originally is. Or if I don't have oil, I just warm it a bit. Like, you just put it in hot water, just a little. I mean, put it, do a double boiler method for it to be a bit warm. Or if you have a microwave, you just put it in for about 30 seconds and you are good to go. Yes. So, guys, this is the recipe I'm giving to anybody, or the secret I'm sharing that helped me grow my hair from bald. And I'm also recommending it to you. With just honey and extra virgin olive oil, you're going to change the way your hair grows. Like, you're going to double your hair growth. If you are going to be consistent, you're going to double your hair growth. Except if you have other scalp issues and you want to try other things, or you want to explore other ways to grow your hair. But then if you want to do the minimum, honey and extra virgin olive oil is what I recommend for you. Anyone who is trying to grow their hair, honey and extra virgin olive oil. In addition to it growing your hair, honey is also able to heal wounds, or is able to heal sores. So if you have any scalp inflammation, if your scalp is so sensitive that anytime you braid your hair it breaks off and all that, honey can be what you use on your scalp. In addition to heat, like, I'm emphasizing on the heat because it's the heat that opens the hair follicles for the nutrients in the honey to be absorbed by the roots of the hair. So if you don't introduce heat to it, you have really done nothing. Like, you have done cost 90. So it's important to introduce heat to this treatment, so that, you're going to yield, or you're going to enjoy the total benefit of this of this treatment. Yes. So just do these two and you are good to go. Let me know if there's something that you'd be trying. For me, I'll always recommend this treatment to anybody. Let me know. So I've mentioned several benefits. Honey helps to promote hair growth. Olive oil helps to nourish the hair. Honey helps to treat any sores you may have on your scalp or scalp inflammation. Yes, so if you have any sores and you are trying to heal them, try using honey and extra virgin olive oil, and it's able to change the hair game for you. Guys, if you have watched to this end, I thank you so much for coming all the way to this end just to enjoy the benefits of this video. I hope you'll be trying it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to reply all your questions for you. Yes, someone asked me that, how do we know the difference between original honey and fake honey? I'm no expert, but then I'll say that it doesn't really matter, because I know that the fake honey, they add sugar to it, but then sugar is not also something bad. Like, putting sugar on your scalp is not something bad, so you're not going to run at any loss when the honey is not the original honey. So you don't have to worry about getting any original honey. Like, just your normal honey and your olive oil, you are good to go. Yes, so I'll be ending here again. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, my name is Lydia. I share tips on how you can grow your hair with ingredients that are readily available in your kitchen. I mainly focus on using herbs because herbs is my lover, but today I'm just giving you the bare minimum, or the minimum thing you can use to grow your hair. So do well to like this video if you haven't liked it, and do well to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.